What is the benefit of a Monzo card? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Monzo card. I've been using this card for a while now, and I've found it to be a really great option for everyday banking. So, what is the Monzo card? Well, it's a prepaid debit card that you can use to make purchases online and in-store. It's also a great way to track your spending, as you can see all of your transactions in the Monzo app. Benefits of Monzo card. So, what are the benefits of using a Monzo card? Well, here are a few of the things I like about it. No fees. There are no fees associated with using the Monzo card. This means that you won't have to pay any monthly fees, overdraft fees, or foreign transaction fees. Easy to use. The Monzo app is very easy to use. You can easily track your spending, set up budgets, and transfer money between accounts. Good customer service. Monzo has excellent customer service. If you have any questions or problems, you can get help quickly and easily. Roundup feature. The Monzo card has a roundup feature that automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest pound. The rounded up amount is then deposited into a savings pot. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Travel benefits. The Monzo card comes with a number of travel benefits, such as free travel insurance and access to airport lounges. Who is the Monzo card for? The Monzo card is a great option for anyone who is looking for a simple, affordable, and convenient way to manage their money. It's also a great option for people who travel a lot, as the card comes with a number of travel benefits. Overall, I've been very happy with my Monzo card, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a good all-around banking option. Outro. So, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the Monzo card, you can visit their website or download their app. Thanks for watching. Additional information. You can also use the Monzo app to set up spending limits and alerts. The Monzo card is available in a number of different colors and designs. You can get your Monzo card delivered to your door or pick it up from a local post office. I hope this script is helpful. Here are some additional tips for writing a YouTube video script. Start with a strong hook to grab your viewers' attention. Use clear and concise language. Keep your script engaging and interesting. Use visuals to support your points. End your script with a call to action. I hope this helps.